Hi everybody, my name is Danny, and I'm here to teach you how to use chopsticks with sushi. How to eat sushi in a formal way with chopsticks. And before I teach you, I want to thank all of you for watching my videos and supporting me. And when you have time, please share it out to your friends, and please subscribe to my channel on YouTube. That support will help us a lot, and I'll be able to make more videos. Thank you. Okay, let's begin. Sushi. How do you eat sushi in a formal way? For instance, if you purchase sushi from a supermarket, you usually start off with a chopstick. Now, with disposable chopsticks, don't do that in a restaurant. It makes the store kind of look like it's a cheap store. It seems like you think their quality of chopsticks are not good, so if you do it in a Japanese restaurant or just any kind of restaurant, it's really not that polite. So try to avoid doing that sharpening of your chopstick. Okay, now let's open this package. Most people will have their sushi, and with their soy sauce packet, they will put it into the top part of the package. Now, with the soy sauce, there's a specific way of how to eat sushi with the chopsticks. So place your sushi there, and then push the sushi to one side so that the fish is on its side. Then take the sushi and place the sushi into the soy sauce, the fish side first. This is ginger. Ginger is for palate cleansing after you eat sushi. So before you eat a second sushi, you want to cleanse your palate by eating ginger first. And it cleans up the flavor, cleans up the fish taste. Again, you want to turn the sushi on its side and then dip it fish side onto the soy sauce. Let's try with salmon. Now you know how to formally eat sushi with your chopstick and dip it into the sauce, into the soy sauce. So when you go to a restaurant, you know the proper ways of how to dip your sushi into soy sauce. And of course, you don't want to sharpen your chopstick at a restaurant and use your ginger to cleanse your palate. You don't want to soak your rice into the sushi. You want to have just the fish part of your sushi to have the soy sauce. So if you have any more questions about how to use chopsticks for eating rice or noodles, I'll be happy to teach you. Here are some Japanese signs for sushi. Sashimi. Maguro. Ika. Salmon. Salmon. Ebi. Thank you so much. Please support us by subscribing to our YouTube channel. Thanks.